He's climbing up. He's gonna grind the log. And then I'm gonna grind the log. It's really sketchy. It's brought to you by Backcountry Illegal Snowboarding. Be a pro, not a hoe.
Oh shit!
Hey dude, are you sure the... Alright. Just putting on his bindings. I could potentially drop the camera.
Sometimes in life, you really gotta go big.
Oh, my hand is freezing. If you see my shaking, blame the camera, not me.
Russ, are you commentating?
Yes, I'm commentating. Why wouldn't I commentate?
I feel like I'm doing the 5-stair.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, I know, but I feel like when you're filming and commentating, I'm doing a 5-stair.
Shh.
I'll probably just board slide it.
Where did my glove go? Oh shit. Here he goes.